Hi, welcome all. In this video, we shall see how to construct histogram and frequency polygon. So let us construct a data using a normal distribution. So data is equal to R norm. Let's consider 100 observations with a mean 0 and variance 1. So let's see the data. This is our data. There are 100 observations. Let's create a histogram out of this using h is equal to, using command hist within round bracket data. We will take breaks as 10, and so there will be 10 intervals of this data which we have created out of command break. Let's use color yellow, and x label would be my x-axis, which is class width, and let's take y limits from 0 to 30. So this command will construct a histogram, and then let us construct a frequency polygon out of same on this histogram. So let us consider minimum of breaks, h breaks. So this will help our frequency polygon start from 0 on axis and maximum break. So this will make sure our starting and end points of the polygon are constructed. Now let's consider the frequency using h count. So type is equal to line type L, and color will consider blue color. So let's run this. So this is how the frequency polygon is constructed. Now we'll have to label this. So using text command we can do the same. H $count will label the frequencies. So in this way all the bars are labeled for their respective frequencies. Now let us consider a different example wherein the midpoints we are going to define on our own, 15, 25, and frequency would be 3, 15, 21, etc. Using data is equal to. So let us read midpoints for the respective frequencies. And our data would be looking like this. What is our data? Wherein 15 is repeated 3 times, 25 is repeated 15 times, likewise. So let's have a break at intervals 10, 20, 30, 40, likewise. And to create a histogram we shall use h is equal to hist, the same command as that of earlier. So let's run this to construct a histogram. So histogram is there. Now let's add a frequency polygon in this particular histogram using same command as that of earlier. Polygon is constructed. Now we will have to label this in the same fashion as that of earlier. So using same command, so that all the bars for their respective frequency will be labeled. So this is how the labeling is done. So in this way we can construct histogram and a frequency polygon. So if you like our video, do like, share, subscribe for getting fascinating inputs on statistics and R and Python. Thank you.